Hello everybody, my name is Luis David Arrieta Montiel. I am a student of University de Secar from Cincelejo. I am studying English. Well, today I want to talk about all my wishes and imaginary situation. Well, there are so many situations. Well, the first situation is I wish I have a lot of time. If I have free time, I will share with my family and I will have more time for my mom. Okay, the second situation is I wish I have professional camera. If I have a camera like that, I will take a lot of pictures of my friends. Well, the third situation is I wish I was rich. If I have money, I could visit many countries of the world and I will buy the house of many dreams. Well, the fourth situation is I wish I have a car. If I have it, I could take a walk through many places with my family. Amazing. The fifth situation. I wish I spoke perfect English. If I spoke and studied harder, I could get better results and would work in a big school or university. I don't know. That's very important in my life to learn English. The sixth situation is I wish I was a model. If I were, I could help many people affected and it will a great influence. Really, it's my dream to be a model someday because for me it's a pleasure. I like my body, my face. I like my body, I like my face. So I want to be a model teacher. Really, to be a teacher in English, English teacher. Thank you so much.